Hello everybody, for today's battle we have Rock Leone 145 WB and Lightning L-Drago 100 HF. Whoever wins 3 rounds will win this battle, so let's start. Three, two, one, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. And the first round winner is Lightning L-Drago, so it gets 1 point. Three, two, one, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. And it's L-Drago again, so it gets 2 points now. 3, 2, 1, let it go. 3, 2, 1, let it go. And both of the bays have slowed down. Will it be L-Drago first or Rock Leone? And it's L-Drago, so it has won this battle with 3 points. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the battle between Lightning L-Drago and Rock Leone. So thanks for watching and subscribe.